Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, what do we have here? Those are some cooked black-eyed peas. These are some uncooked black-eyed peas. Mike Foster here. I'm going to tell you why you should eat black-eyed peas. Now, they've been around for years and thousands of years. And they're a big staple down south, especially with soul food cooking, and they're delicious if made the right way. I'm making a heck of a recipe later on, and that'll come out in a few weeks with black-eyed peas. But guess what? They're healthier than you think. These guys have 6 grams of fiber, 13 grams of protein, and they're loaded with iron, magnesium, vitamin B6, and folate. Now, the protein's good for you to start the day. The fiber's great to help lose weight. The iron is great for your heart and any kind of anemia. The other nutrients in there are antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, which always help with fighting cancer, and they're heart healthy. They're good for you. But wait, there's more. Black-eyed peas do even more things for you. That's why you should eat them. Check this out. The fiber will help you with weight loss, of course. The other minerals are good for skin. They can give you some extra energy because of the protein. They can regulate your diabetes. Good for regulating your blood pressure too. Good for bone health. And they're even good for indigestion. I mean, why wouldn't you? And then the other thing is they're really easy to use. They're easy to prepare. Where are they? Is that them? There they are. Easy to prepare. And they're very, very tasty. Well, prove it, Mike. Okay, I'll prove it. If you think they're so tasty, take a bite of them. Oh my God, look at this. Look at that, Mike's black-eyed peas. Healthier for you than you think. Worth it. Check them out. And these are just plain. No salt, no pepper. Jazz them up. Put some spices in there. Don't go crazy on the salt. Don't go crazy on the sauces. Black-eyed peas. Healthier than you think. Check them out. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Lima beans aren't even in this thing.